one of he we have Abhishek Chandrasekhar, a supremely and exceptionally talented, versatile boy. He's just 19 years of age, but look what all he has done. He is a classical vocalist and also a classical Bharatanatyam dancer. In both the art forms, he has performed the Arangetram. His guru, he learned classical music from several gurus in Dubai, and now he's under the able tutelage of Sri Cherthala Shivakumar, and he learned dance here in Dubai under Lakshmi Venkatesh and others, but now he's pursuing this art and taking it to a higher level under the able guidance of Guru Kalaimamani Sri Zakir Hussain, a doyen in Bharatanatyam. He has done both his Arangetrams in Bharatanatyam as well as Carnatic Classical. Carnatic Classical is so special because it was the guest of honor. It was under Padma Vibhushan T.N. Seshagopalan, who is an icon in Carnatic Classical. The passion of Abhishek Chandrasekhar is you have to log on to his YouTube videos. If you just mute the video and just listen to the voice, you would perhaps assume that this is a lecture demonstration or a special concert about the saint composers being done by somebody like who's maybe 40-50 years of experience in Carnatic music. He is so good. I recommend, please watch his YouTube videos. It is titled Geeta Anubhava. He takes a composer, saint composer, be it Purandaradasa or Tyagaraja Muthuswami Dikshidhar or any of them, Bhadrachala Ramdas, any of them, and then he picks up a raga, he picks up a composition, goes in depth, he dissects, and it's exceptional. I've listened to those YouTube videos. It's brilliant. Abhishek, God bless you. You're so talented. You're born to take the art form and to enthrall, spread divinity, and heal the world with your classical music. Over to you, Abhishek.
Am I audible? Can people see and hear me? I hope.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Thank you, Ranganji, for such a very kind introduction, and it's my pleasure and absolute honor to be here and present my humble offering to Lord Rudra on this special day. So thank you for giving me an opportunity. I'd like to begin by invoking Lord Ganesha and presenting a Ganesha Prarthana, the composition of Sri Muthuswami Dikshidhar, as many of you might already know. Mahaganapatim Shri Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishtavamadevaadi Vandita Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishtavamadevaadi Vandita Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahadeva Sutam महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं पप्पमगमरि धरि धनि सपमगमप धनि धरि गममरि धरि धनि पमगनि पमगमनि पमरे गमरे रे सदानि पमगमरि नि सरि गमग गणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमः गणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि So that was a composition in Nattai by Mahan Shri Muthuswami Dikshitar, and I think it's very important to invoke the blessings of Vigna Vinayaka before we begin any such auspicious endeavor. And it gives me immense pleasure to be a part of an initiative as profound as Akhanda Rudram. And at the very offset, I'd like to thank Mr. Ranga and all the organizers and participants for giving me this opportunity to take part and make my humble offering to Lord Rudra under this event. I'm amazed to see such Rudra Parayanam under such a large scale across nations and continuously for weeks at a stretch, especially during such testing times when we are as a global society in chaos and unknowing how to tackle this crisis situation and what awaits us after this. I think it's essential to revive our trust in that power, that supreme power beyond us. And this is something Mr. Ranga told me when I first spoke to him and asked him what I'd like to sing, what he'd like me to sing, about which deity. And he told me that each of us may identify what we call God differently as Shiva, Shakti, Narayana, or we might just say Paramatma or Supreme Spirit. But regardless of that, what is crucial is that at such times when our human ego is falsified and crumbled and we lose control over the situation, we are reminded of a larger power beyond us, and through this circumstance, we develop a certain humility and faith in that power beyond us. And I think this idea has been very beautifully captured by poets and saints in various languages throughout the rich history of our country. I'd now like to present two pieces that capture this idea. The first one is a vachana or a verse by Akka Mahadevi, the radical Shiva Bhakta from the 12th century. In this Kannada verse, the poetess says to Lord Shiva himself, she addresses the Lord and says, "For my hunger, there is food. For my thirst, there are streams, wells, and lakes. For my sleep, there are places to lie down and rest. But for my soul to take refuge in, there is none other than you, Shiva, and you are my sole refuge." So the same message is put in a different context by Sri Papanasham Shivan in Tamil, who says, "Annayum yen tandayum niyandri verondrariya aghadinan," which means, you are my father, you are my mother, and I know no refuge other than you and you alone. ಹಸಿಯಾದರೆ ಊರೊಳಗೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷಾನ್ನങ്ങളുಂಟು, ಹಸಿಯಾದರೆ ಊರೊಳಗೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷಾನ್ನങ്ങളുಂಟು, ತೃಷೆಯಾದರೆ ಕೆರೆ ಬಾವಿ ಹಳ್ಳಂಗಳುಂಟು, ಹಸಿಯಾದರೆ ಊರೊಳಗೆ ಊರೊಳಗೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷಾನ್ನಂಗಳುಂಟು ತೃಷೆಯಾದರೆ ಕೆರೆಬಾವಿ ಬಾವಿ ಹಳ್ಳಂಗಳು ಶಯನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಳ್ಳು ಶಯನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಳು ದೇಗುಳವುಂಟು ಹಸಿವಾದರೆಯುಂಟು ತೃಷೆಯಾದರೆಯುಂಟು ಶಯನಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು ಚೆನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯ ಆತ್ಮಸಂಗತಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೇ ಉಂಟು ಹಸಿಯಾದರೆಯುಂಟು ತೃಷೆಯಾದರೆಯುಂಟು ತೃಷೆಯಾದರೆಯುಂಟು ಶಯನಕ್ಕೆಯುಂಟು ಚೆನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯ ಆತ್ಮಸಂಗತಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೇ ಉಂಟು ಆತ್ಮಸಂಗತಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೇ ಉಂಟು அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீ அன்றி வேறொன்றறிய அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீ அன்றி வேறொன்றறிய அகதி நான் என்றுனக்கு புகழ்வதோ என் அன்னை கற்பக மனோகராம் கற்பக மனோகராம் காத்தருள் கிருபாகர கற்பக மனோகராம் காத்தருள் கிருபாகர கற்பக மனோகராம் காத்தருள் கிருபாகர கற்பக மனோகராம் காத்தருள் கிருபாகர கற்பக மனோகர காத்தருள் கிருபாகர கற்பக மனோகர காத்தருள் கிருபாகர கற்பக மனோகர மனோகர ಚಿಪ್ಪರಕ ಪಾಲೀಶ ಚಿತ್ಪರಕ ಪಾಲೀಶ ಚಿತ್ಪರಕ ಪಾಲೀಶ ಚಿತ್ಪರಕ ಪಾಲೀಶ ಚಿತ್ಪರಕ ಪಾಲೀಶ ಚಿತ್ಪರಕ ಪಾಲೀಶ சிற்பரக பாலீஷா திருமயிலை புரி வளரும் சிற்பரக பாலீஷா சிற்பரக பாலீஷா திருமயிலை புரி வளரும் பதனி தானித பகரி தனிதனி நித நித பக பகரி க பதனி தானித பகரி தனிதனி దని పద గపరి గరి దారి గ పదని సాని ద పగరి దని దని స దని పద గపరి గరి గ పదని సాని ద పగరి దని దని స గరి దరి పగరి గ ద పగ సాని ద పగరి దరి గ పదని సాని ద పగరి దని దని స గరి దరి పగరి గ ద పగ సాని ద పగరి దరి గ గ పగ పద పద దని దని ని స ని స దరి స గ పదని స రి స ని సాని ద ని ద పగ మనోహర ಗ ಪದನಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಪಗರಿ ಗ ದ ಪಗ ಪ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಗ ಪಗ ಪದ ಪದ ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ನಿ ಸನಿ ಸ ಧರಿ ದ ಗ ಪದನಿ ಸರಿ ಸನಿ ಸನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಕರ್ಪಗ ಮನೋಹರ ಕಾತರುಳ್ ಕೃಪಾಕರ ಕರ್ಪಗ ಮನೋಹರ உனதடி பணிந்து உனதடி பணிந்தேன் உலகெல்லாம் தோழும் ஈசன் உனதடி பணிந்தேன் உலகெல்லாம் தோழும் ஈசன் உனது திருநாமம் தனை உளம் குளிர்ந்துலைத்தினேன் உனதடி பணிந்திலேன் உலகெல்லாம் தோழும் ஈசன் உனது திருநாமம் சொல்லி உளங்கனிந்துரைத்தினேன் அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அகதி நான் என்றுனக்கு புகழ்வதோ என் அன்னை பதனி தானித பகரி தனி தனிதா கரி சரி பகரி கத பக பசனித பகரி சரி கபக பத பத தனி தனி நி சனி சரி கபதனி சரி தனி சனித நீத பகற்பக மனோகரா அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அகதினான் அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அகதினான் அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அகதினான் அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா வேறொன்றறியா அகத்தினான் அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அகதி நான் அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அன்னையும் என் தந்தையும் நீயன்றி வேறொன்றறியா அகதினான் மனோகரா உன்னகதினான் So this was a composition by Sri Papanasham Shivan in Ragam Malaya Marutam. And here, I'm sure the lyrics are very simple to understand. He says the Lord Shiva who resides in Tirumailai or Mailapur in Chennai, that Karpaha Manohara is his sole refuge, his mother, his father, everything. And I know nothing else but you is the message he conveys. And similarly, we saw the Vachana by Akka Mahadevi as well, where she completely surrenders to Mahadeva. So we see such bhaktas who have been ideal role models for us to learn bhakti from, who have surrendered completely to the Bhagavan. Now, we must also see how Lord Shankara comes to the aid of such true bhaktas. He has manifested time and again to alleviate the sufferings of his devotees, and one such story is seen in the fable of Lord Vaidyanatha. Near Sirgari in Tamil Nadu, Lord Shiva blesses us as the Lord of Doctors or Vaidyanatha, and there is a belief that he assumed this form to come treat a bhakta who was suffering from illness on Bhuloka. And when he descended from Kailasha to Bhuloka, Devi Parvati also descended to assist Lord Vaidyanatha. But the Lord decided to test Goddess Parvati. He made scores of Shivalingas rise out of the ground such that they blocked her way on her path to the Lord, because she had to cross them to reach the Lord, but she could not step on the Shivalingas. Seeing this, Devi Parvati assumes the form of a little girl, of a child, and because there is no sin when a child of such a tender age steps on something, even as sacred as a Shivalinga, she crawls on the Shivalingas and reaches Lord Vaidyanatha. And in this form, she made her way to her Lord, and even today, she's worshipped in the temple of Vaidyanatha Swami as Bala Ambika, as the young, childlike Ambika. And this is the story behind Lord Vaidyanatha's temple. And on a side note, I'd also like to take this opportunity to mention that at such a difficult time of widespread illness and pandemic, it is important to see Lord Shiva as the Dr. Vaidyanatha, but also to see every doctor as Lord Shiva. Because arguably, this crisis has affected healthcare professionals the most. And I've seen this firsthand because my mother, who is watching from Dubai, is also a working doctor there. And I know many more such selflessly working doctors who are putting themselves at risk for the welfare of mankind. So, starting from Amma, I want to take this opportunity to humbly express my gratitude and respect for all those who practice this noble profession day and night, toil endlessly. Next, I want to present an invocation to this Lord Vaidyanatha. First, I will present a shlokam from the Vaidyanatha Ashtakam by Adi Shankaracharya, and then I will present a verse by Tirunjana Sambandar in Tamil, where he praises the glory of this kshetram, and I will try to briefly explain the meaning as well after I sing the verses. Balambikesha Vaidyesha Bhavaroga Hareti cha Balambikesha Vaidyesha Bhavaroga Hareti cha Japenamatrayam nityam Balambikesha Vaidyesha Bhavaroga Nivaranam Balambikesha Vaidyesha Bhavaroga Hareti cha Japenamatrayam Maharoga Nivaranam Maharoga Nivaranam Roga Nivaranam Maharoga Nivaranam Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam Namatrayam Jape Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam. செடியாய உடல் தீர்ப்பான் செடியாய உடல் தீர்ப்பான் தீவினைக்கோர் மருந்தாவான் செடியாய உடல் தீர்ப்பான் தீவினைக்கோர் மருந்தாவான் பொடியாடி கடிமை செய்த புள்ளிருக்க வேளூரே பொடியாடி கடிமை செய்த புள்ளிருக்கு வேளூரே புள்ளிருக்கு வேளூரை கடியார்ந்து பொழிற்காழி கவுனியன் சம்பந்தன் கடியார்ந்த பொழிற்காழி கவுனியன் சம்பந்தன் சொல் மடியாது சம்பந்தன் சொல் மடியாது சொல்ல வல்லார்க்கு சம்பந்தன் சொல் மடியாது சொல்ல வல்லார்க்கு சொல்ல வல்லார்க்கில்லையா மறுபிறப்பே சம்பந்தன் சொல் மடியாது சொல்ல வல்லார்க்கு இல்லையாம் மறுபிறப்பே இல்லையாம் மறுபிறப்பே. So the first verse was, as I said, from the Vaidyanathashtakam by Adi Shankaracharya, and there it said, Balambikesha, the lord of Bala Ambika, Vaidyesha, who is the lord of the doctors, Bhavaroga Hareticha. Roga Hareticha is the one who destroys diseases or illnesses. Further it says Bhavaroga, the worldly diseases, and one, it can be thought of all the diseases that exist in the world, or on a little bit more philosophical note, the disease of this worldly life itself. We are so bogged down by so many this cycle of karma, birth and death, as it is believed in Sanatana Dharma, and that Vaidyanatha gives us the ailments to worldly diseases and the disease of the world itself. And it's like Japenama Trayam Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam. This disease of worldly life is a Maharoga, and just chanting the name thrice, Japenama Trayam, will give you the relief or liberation from this worldly disease. And the same message is also encapsulated by Triniana Sambandar in Tamil. He says, Sediyaya Udal Tirpan Tivinaikor Marundavan. This body that is of no individual character itself, which is just made of the Panchabhutas, is always bogged down by illnesses and ailments. And those ailments are caused by our past karma, Ti Vinay. And those ailments are cured by this Vaidyanatha. And Podiyadi, the name of Lord Shiva, Podiyadikku Adimai Seida, those who serve him selflessly, who are always at his feet, at Pullirikku Velur. Pullirikku Velur is the name of the Kshetram, Vaidyanatha Swami's Koval, but the root of that name is a combination of 4 bhaktas who served him there. Pull, Irukku, Velur. So this denotes 4 of his bhaktas who served him there. And Kadiyarndu Polirgari, it's denoting the location. Near Sirgari, this temple is located. And there, Sambandhan Sol Madiyadu Solla Vallarku Illayam Marupirappe. Whoever recites these verses by Triniana Sambandar without becoming lethargic or without losing focus, they have no, they will be liberated from the cycle of birth and death and have no birth again. This is the message given by this Tiruvasakam. And these are 2 verses worshipping Lord Vaidyanatha. Next, I'd like to present a composition by, again, Maharshi Muthuswami Dikshitar, where he glorifies the Lord residing in Trichy, Sri Matrubhuteshwarar. And I've chosen this composition because, again, we see how the Lord has come to the rescue of his bhakta. So it is believed that one of Lord Shiva's bhaktas was experiencing labor pains, and her mother was unable to reach her to carry out the delivery. And at this time, the Lord himself is said to have taken the form of the mother and come to the rescue of the bhakta and done the needful, which is why he's called Tayumanavar in Tamil, or the one who is also a mother. So now in Ragam Kannada, let's hear this beautiful composition by Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. Shrimatribhutam Trishira Girinatham Shrimatribhutam Trishira Girinatham Hridi Chintaye Sugandhi Kuntalamba Sametam Shri मातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये सुगन्धि कुन्तलाम्बा समेतं श्री मातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये सुगन्धि कुन्तलाम्बा समेतं श्री मातृभूतं सोम सकं नद सुखसदकं नल सोम सकं नद सुखसदकं नल कामादेवी जय कमनीयाङ्गं कामादेवी जय कमनीयाङ्गं सोमं शिरोधृत सूर्यगङ्गं सोमं शिरोधृत सूर्यगङ्गं कोमलकरधृत कुरङ्गं गुरुगुहान्तरङ्गलिङ्गं कोमलकरधृत कुरङ्गं गुरुगुहान्तरङ्गलिङ्गं श्री मातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं नाथं गिरिनाथं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं वासवादिदेव वन्दितचरणं वैश्याजाति स्त्रीवेश धरणं वासवादिदेवं वन्दितचरणं वैश्याजाति स्त्रीवेश धरणं वासुदेवमहितं भवहरणं वासनादिरहितान्तकरणं धरहास त्रिपुरादिहरणं वासुकी प्रमुखाभरणं धरहास त्रिपुरादिहरणं वासुकी प्रमुखाभरणं भासमान नवाभरणं दासजन सन्तोषकरणं धरहास त्रिपुरादिहरणं वासुकी प्रमुखाभरणं भासमान नवाभरणं दासजन सन्तोषकरणं सुवासितनवजवति पुष्पं सुभासितनवचवल्ति पुष्पम् सुभासितनवचवल्ति पुष्पविकासं प्रियहृदयं सदयं सुभासितनवचवल्ति पुष्पविकास प्रियहृदयं सदयं मासवर्षपक्षोत्सवविभवं सदाशिवं परमशिवं श्री मातृभूतम् सुभासितनवचवल्ति पुष्पविकासं प्रियहृदयं सदयं मासवर्षपक्षोत्सवविभवं सदाशिवं परमशिवं श्री मातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये सुगन्धिं कुन्तलाभसमेतं श्री मातृभूतम् निजदपगमरिस दनिजदपगमदनिजरिजनि सदाशिवं परमशिवं श्री निजदपगम शिवं श्री मातृभूतं पगमदपगमरिजदनिजगम शिवं श्री मातृभूतं सगमपगमरिजगमदपगमरिजगमदनिजरिजनि परमशिवं श्री मातृ पगमदनिजरिजनि ददपगमददपगमपगम परमशिवं श्री गमदनि सगमपगमरिजनि रिजनि सदपगमदनि सदपदपम परमशिवं श्री गमरिजनि सदनि सगमपगमरिजगमदनि सरिजनि सदनि सगमरिजनि सनि सदाशिवं परमशिवं श्री दनि सगमपगमरिजनि रिजनि सदापगमदनि सदापगमरिजनि सदापगमदनि सदापगमरिज सगमरिज गमरिज दनि सदप निसदप सगमरिज सदाशिवं परमशिवं श्री मातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं गिरिनाथं कुन्तलाम्बसमेतम् So again, a composition by Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. This is the beauty of Dikshitar's composition. It's not just musically an absolute delight to listen to, but further, he includes like a biodata of the deity and the kshetram just within that composition. And in the Pallavi itself, he says, Shri Matrabhutam Trishiragirinatham Sugandha Kunthalamba Sametam. So he's given the name of the deity, the kshetram, Tiruchirappalli, and also the name of the goddess who's with him, Shri Sugandha Kunthalamba. So he's included an entire detailed description of the kshetram, like almost the Sthala Puranam itself you can find from the composition. And in the Charanam, if you notice, it says Vaishya Jati Strivesha Dharanam. That goes back to the story that I narrated in the beginning. He dons the disguise of a Vaishya Jati, Vaishya, a woman belonging to Vaishya Kulam, to come and execute the delivery. So it's a beautiful composition. And I chose to highlight the words Sadashivam Paramashivam in the end of the Madhyama Kala Sahityam in the Charanam through Swarakalpana, because though this repetition of words sounds redundant at first, these words carry a very profound meaning. The word Shivam means that which is sacred and auspicious. So Lord Shiva is the one who blesses us with auspiciousness. And Dikshitar further explains using the words Sada, which means everlasting, and Parama, which means supreme. So Lord Shiva is extolled as the giver of everlasting auspiciousness and supreme auspiciousness. So even if the words are repeated, there is a meaning behind why they are repeated, and it is this beautiful message that is being given. And since we are in the course of this auspicious Rudram chanting, I think it's very important to understand the Mahima of chanting the Shivanama. Tyagaraja Swami himself, who is usually heard singing the praises of Lord Rama, tells us the Mahima of the Shivanama in one of his compositions. He says, immersing ourselves in satsanga, as we are doing right now through this Zoom call, and chanting the sacred Shivanama is the means to relieve ourselves from the tribulations of worldly life. And we'll hear it in Tyagaraja Swami's words itself first. Shiva Shiva Shivaya Narada, Shiva Shiva Shivaya Narada, Ori Shiva Shiva Shivaya Narada, Ori Shiva Shiva Shivaya Narada, Ori Baba Baya Badala Nana Chukorada, Shiva Shiva Shivaya Narada, Ori Baba Baya Badala Nana Chukorada, Shiva Shiva Shivaya Narada, Radha. Kamadula Degal Kosim, Kamadula Degal Kosim, Parabhamala Parula Danamulero, Si Kamadula Degal Kosim, Parabhamala Parula Danamulero, Si Pamaratvamu Jadabasi, Atine Mamuto Bilvachana Jesi, Pamaratvamu Jadabasi, Atine Mamuto Bilvachana Jesi, Shiva 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 Yanarada, Ori Baba Baya Badalana Chukorada, Shiva 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 Yanarada, Agama Nudinchi, Agama Nudinchi, Agama Nudinchi, Bagu Baguleni Bashalu Chalinchi, Agama Nudinchi, Bagu Baguleni Bashalu Chalinchi, Bhagavatulato Poshinchi, Varatyagaraja Sannutudani Inchi, Bhagavatulato Poshinchi, Varatyagaraja Sannutudani Inchi, Shiva 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 Yanarada, Ori Baba Baya Badalana Chukorada, Shiva 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 Yana, Shiva 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 Yana, Shiva 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 Yanarada, Shiva 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 Yanarada. Another brisk and beautiful composition by Tyagaraja Swami. We often assume that he is just a Shiva Bhakta and people who are in the Vaishnavism sect will not worship Lord Rudra and vice versa. The Trinities and all the saints have shown us that there is nothing of the sort. And in fact, Tyagaraja Swami's name, the name Tyagaraja itself is a name of Lord Shiva, who is the deity of Tiruvarur. And Tyagaraja Swami has sung the praises of the Shivanama so elaborately, and he's almost begging, he's crying. He's saying, Shiva, 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 Ena Radha. He's saying, will the name Shiva not even come to will it not come to your tongue? He's almost begging us to recite the Shivanama and do ourselves some good. And if we thought that Dikshitar has repeated a lot by saying Sada Shivam Paramashivam, he said Shiva, Shiva, Shiva thrice in the first line of the Pallavi itself, to show the Mahima of the Shivanama and the immense bhagyam it is to just recite the Shivanama, for it to come to your tongue. And this is a beautiful. His heart melts in trying to explain to us the Mahima of the Shivanama. And another such bhakta who has cried and composed numerous compositions on Tillai Chidambaranadar is Gopalakrishna Bharati. And he's extensively composed a huge volume of work just on Lord Nataraja, the dancing Lord of Tillai. Many of you might have heard Idurano Tillai Talam, or Adum Chidambarame, or Ananda Nadamaduvar Tillai, or so many compositions like this, or Kanten Kali Tirten, and I can keep going. But today I want to present a very beautiful composition. It is in Ragam Andolika, and not just describing the deity, he describes the entire kshetram of Chidambaram. And I can't resist quoting one line that appears in another composition of his. He says, I had gone to Kashi, and there I heard that Kailasha itself is on earth. And when I asked where that Kailasha is, people told me in Chidambaram. So it is, often we hail Varanasi or Kashi as the most sacred of places, but in that composition, he says, I had gone to Kashi and they told me Kailasha is here in Chidambaram. And the delight that he experiences in Chidambaram, this is from the Nandanar Charitram. Nandanar says this, but Sevika Vendumaya is a composition by Gopalakrishna Bharati, and it's a beautiful work that describes the entire kshetram of Chidambaram. I'll present that for you now. Sevika Vendum Ayya, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Chidambaram, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Chidambaram, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Chidambaram, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Chidambaram, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Sevika Vendum Chidambaramurtiya, Sevika Vendum Chidambaramurtiya, Sevika Vendum Chidambaramurtiya, Devadi Devan Tirusannidhi Kandu, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Sevika Vendum Chidambaramurtiya, Devadi Devan Tirusannidhi Kandu, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Singaramana Shivagangayil Moogi, Shivagami Sannidhi Munbagave Vandu, Singaramana Shivagangayil Moogi, Shivagami Sannidhi Munbagave Vandu, Pangagave Pradakshinam Seidu, Pangagave Pradakshinam Seidu, Pangagave Pradakshinam Seidu, Bhaktargal Sitargal Panividayor Thoda, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Pangagave Pradakshinam Seidu, Bhaktargal Sitargal Panividayor Thoda, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Chidambaram, Sevika Vendum Ayya, Ayya, Very short but very meaningful composition. Again, the Shiva Ganga is described. Shivagami is named the goddess in Chidambaram. Shivakamavalli is also described, and it's a beautiful composition. And I think no offering to Lord Shiva can be complete without an offering to Shakti as well, because Lord Shiva and Shakti are just two halves of the same form, as clearly indicated by the Ardhanarishwara Swarupam. And I believe that we must also honor this Mahadevi as we pray to Mahadeva. So as my the next piece that I'm going to present is a Tillana in Ragam Mant by Maestro Shri Lalgudi Jayaraman sir. In this Tillana, the goddess is revered as the consort of Lord Ekamreshwara in Kanchipuram. Devi is believed to have worshipped Lord Shiva in the form of a Bhulinga or earthen lingam here. So let us bow down to this Ekamreshwari, the mother of all the worlds. Tanadim tadim tadirana, tanadim tadim tadirana, tanum tadim tadim, tanadim tadim tadirana, tanum tadim tanadim tadim tadirana, anum tadim tanadim tadim tadirana, anum tadim tanadim tadim tadirana. Anum tadim tadim tadirana, tanum tadim tadirana, anum tadim tadirana. Nadrdim tanadim dradim, tadim tanadim takitadim, nadrdim tanadim dradim. Tadim tanadim tagidadim, nadrdim tanadim drudim dim tadim tanadim tagidadim, takatacham takadim takatacham janudim takatacham tanadim tadim tadirana. Nadrdim tanadim drudim dim tadim tanadim tagidadim takatacham. Tanadim takatacham janudim takatacham tanadim tadim tadirana, anam tadim tadanam tadim tanadim tadim tadirana. உன்னை சரணடைந்தேன் ஓம்காரே கௌரே, உன்னை சரணடைந்தேன் ஓம்காரி கௌரி, என்னை காத்தருள் ஏகாம்பரேஸ்வரி. உன்னை சரணடைந்தேன் ஓம்காரி கௌரி, என்னை காத்தருள் ஏகாம்பரேஸ்வரி. அன்னை நீ அழோ சகல உலகின் அன்னை நீ என்றோம், சகல உலகின் அன்னை நீ என்றோம். அருள் காஞ்சி காமாட்சி நின்னை நிகர் தெய்வம் எழு உலகில் உண்டோ. அன்னை நீ என்றோம், அருள் காஞ்சி காமாட்சி நின்னை நிகர் தெய்வம் எழு உலகில் உண்டோ. தாம் தகதீம் தஜம் தஜனம் ததீம் ததோம் தஜம் தனம் ததாம் தகதீம் தஜம் தஜனும் ததீம் tatom tajam tanam tagamada nidava gavani ni nidava ni ri gari da ni ri gava mari da gamada da nidava gavani ni nidava ni ri gari da ni ri gava mari takum tajam tanam tadim tadom pagagari ni nidava pagagari ri tadagadom tadim dim taganam tajom jom kitatam tatom tom tanadim tadim tadirana tam tagadim tajam tajanum tadim tadom tajam tanam tagamada nidava gavani ni nidava ni ri gari da ni ri gava mari takum tajam tanam tadim tadom pagagari ni nidava pagagari ri tadagadom tadim dim taganam tajam jam itajam tatom tom tanadim tadim tadirana anum tadim tadanum tadim tadanadim tadim tadirana 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 So, as I conclude my offering for today to Lord Shankara, I'd like to express my sincerest respects, my namaskarams to Devi Bhagavati as well, and make a very sincere prayer to both of them, following the footsteps of bhaktas like Akka Mahadevi and Papanasham Chitan as we saw. Let us seek refuge in him, not just during this difficult time, but now and always, forever to come. And following the precedent of his manifestations as Vaidyanatha and Matrabhuteshwara and so on, let us believe and have faith that he will come to the aid of those in need. And beyond all this, let us simply surrender at his divine Padakamalam or lotus feet and pray for him to be with us today and always. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Over to you, Ranga sir.
Abhishek, no words, man. It has been exceptional and absolutely brilliant. In fact, just now I shared your number to my friends in Malaysia and Singapore.
Okay.
Because they too, it's Akhanda Rudram going on 24/7.
Right.
So they asked, that they would like to have such devotional singing. Then you were on the top of a recall. Yeah, I shared and said this boy is exceptional, so brilliant, so talented, and passionate. And I asked them to just look into the YouTube videos which I have listened to all of them. Great job.
Thank
Bless
you.
you.
So much. Thank you.
You're born for music, and then please take this to all over the world and heal the planet Earth, because world needs classical music, world needs goodness, world needs love.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and world needs oneness. All are one.
Definitely.
Thank you so much. You have been exceptional,
Thank
brilliant.
you so much for the opportunity.
And
sir.
maybe the stations in the USA and Malaysia, Singapore may contact you. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you so much. It has been so beautiful.
Completely my pleasure.
Every composition what you chose was so beautiful. Be it the Malay Marutham or the conclusion in Mand. Wow, you're brilliant and love you so much.
All by the grace of God. So thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Srirag and Naveen, are you ready in Australia? Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
I think session has not started yet. Okay. Maybe if you can have a small tukuda for 2 or 3 minutes, or an abhang.
Abhang. Okay, I can sing.
Okay, whatever. I mean, if you can do a Brindavan Saranga.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, so this is another composition of Tyagaraja Swami in Vrindavana Saranga. Very brisk composition. कूल कमलाप्तकूल कलशाब्दिचन्द्र कमलाप्तकूल कलशाब्दिचन्द्र कावमय्यननु करुणासमुद्र कमलाप्तकूल कलशाब्दिचन्द्र कावमय्य नन्नु करुणासमुद्र कमलाप्त कुल कलशाब्दिचन्द्र कावमय्य नन्नु करुणा समुद्र कमलाप्त कुल कमला कलत्र कमला कलत्र कमला कलत्र कौशल्या सुपुत्र कमला कलत्र कौशल्या सुपुत्र कमनीय गात्र कामरि मित्र कमला कलत्र कौशल्या सुपुत्र कमनीय गात्र कामरि मित्र कमलाप्त कुल कलशाब्दिचन्द्र कावमय्य नन्नु करुणा समुद्र कमलाप्त कुल मुनुदासुल ब्रोचिनदेल्ल जल मुनुदासुल ब्रोचिनदेल्ल जल विनिमि चरण चित्रोडैतिनय्य मुनुदासुल ब्रोचिनदेल्ल जल विनिमि चरण चित्रोडैतिनय्य कनिकरंबुना नाकभयमीयवैया आ कनिकरंबुना नाकभयमीयवैया कनिकरंबुना नाकभयमीयवैया वनजलोचना श्री त्यागराजनुत वनजलोचना श्री त्यागराजनुत कमलाप्त कुल कनिकरंबुना नाकभयमीयवैय वनजलोचना श्री त्यागराजनुत कमलाप्त कुल कलशाब्दिचन्द्र कावमय्य नन्नु करुणा समुद्र कमलाप्त कुल कलशाब्दिचन्द्र करुणा समुद्र करुणा समुद्र
Well, thank you so much, man. I love you so much. You're so awesome.
Thank you so
You know,
much.
one beautiful quality of your singing.
Uh-huh.
There's perfect Sahitya Shuddham, be it Kannada, be it Telugu or Tamil. Brilliant, you know. There'll be a lot of phonetics which the musicians miss, even the the big ones.
True.
But I mean, you've done beautiful sadhana.
I mean,
God
just
bless you,
humble
Abhishek.
attempt to
Thank you so
beautiful
much.
sahitya that all these
And
Vagyakaras have.
over to Srirag for the Australia session, please. We conclude an exceptional classical music concert by Abhishek. He's just 19 years old. He's got great future ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Salam, uncle. It's Ashwin here from Australia.
Hey Ashwin, how are you? Long time.
Sairam. Thank you, brother Abhishek. I only joined in right at the end, but absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. We hope to see you again more on the three sessions.
Thank you, my pleasure. Shri Guru.
Saram.
So, uncle.
So I think the
Salam,
co-host is Srirag. I think you can